Alright guys, sorry about that. Got jammed up. Something happened and the thing stopped recording. Anyway, this will be real quick. Sorry about that. So, like I was saying, we're dealing with 45, 45, 90 triangles here. And back in the reference triangle, if you look at it, in a 45, 45, 90 triangle, to go from the hypotenuse to the leg, we divide by the square root of 2. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. To go from the hypotenuse to the leg, I'm going to divide by the square root of 2. Now, root 6 divided by root 2, because they're both inside of radicals, you could just simply divide them and get the square root of 3. So that was pretty easy. You didn't have to rationalize, you're done. And because it's an isosceles triangle as well, if this leg is root 3, then so is this one. Booyah. Done. Alright, and then the last example here, it's also a 45, 45, 90 triangle. And we're also going to go again from the hypotenuse to one of the legs. And to do this, we divide by the square root of 2. But this time, when we divide by the square root of 2, this is outside a radical, this is inside. You can't divide them. So we've got to rationalize the denominator. And I'm going to do that by multiplying the top and the bottom by the square root of 2. So I end up with 8 square root of 2 over 2. Root 2 times root 2 is the square root of 4. And the square root of 4 is just 2. You guys will get used to kind of skipping that step and going faster as we go along. And then finally, in this problem here, the 8 divided by 2 can divide and give me 4 root 2. So y is equal to 4 root 2, and x is equal to 4 root 2, because they had to be equal to each other. Alright guys, so this is kind of how we're going to do things, alright? And we're going to make short little videos. This is probably the longest one, I imagine. Alright, so just follow along in the video, answer the questions. You should do fine. If you need any help, email me or stop in and see me either during the class period or during office hours in the Google Hangout. I'll be there to help you out. Alright, hope things are going well. See you guys.